So we teach everything in the aviation industry, from getting kids ready to become pilots of manned aircraft or of drones, as well as understanding the basics behind what makes aviation happen, the careers that are in that field, like maintenance, mechanics, air traffic controllers, running an airport, everything aviation related. We're getting students ready so that they can have a career in that field.
I want to be a commercial pilot. I'm feeling confident. At the beginning of the year, I didn't really know anything, but as we've gone through the year, I've gotten more and more comfortable with it. Meeting with people from Great Basin Aviation, meeting with the Guillemot Foundation and people with Pathways to Aviation, it's helped grow relationships a lot throughout the academy.
Kids come to me and they say, hey, I saw this event, we went to this air show, and they're showing me pictures of the things that they're seeing, or they went out of their way to go meet someone in the industry so that they could get a connection. Now we have community partners that we can partner with and get these students meeting industry recognized people and, have mentors, become active in the career. We are the only aviation academy in Northern Nevada. We are becoming nationally recognized, and we couldn't have done that without the partnership from Washoe County School District, making a huge statement, I think, to the industry. Our CTE department essentially putting it all together, making sure that we have the trainings that we need, making sure that we have the equipment we need so that our students were ready to hit the ground running on day one.